Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to store your password securely on your iPhone, just like you keep card in your wallet app. Apple don't allow password directly in wallet app yet, but I will show you the safest and easiest way to save a digital copy of your iPhone using Face ID. First, take a clear photo of your password. Open your camera, place the password on a flat surface, take a clear picture of the information page. Make sure that text is sharp and readable. Now open the photo app and select the picture, tap share, and you have two save options. First, save to file, second, save to note. Both are secure and easy to access. If you choose note, tap share, add to note. Open the note, tap three dots on the top right corner and select lock note. Now turn on Face ID protection. This means no one can see your password unless they unlock it with your face. To make it feel like having your password in your wallet, you can create a quick shortcut icon. Whenever you need your password information at the airport, hotel, or while filling form, you can open your protected note or file instantly. It's fast, safe, and always with you. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next one.